Hello everyone, welcome to HowFixIT. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery in Asus ZenBook UX430. To disassemble it, you will need next tools: Phillips 1 screwdriver, Torx T5 screwdriver, and plastic tool. In the description I'll leave links where to buy all necessary tools. Turn the laptop over and remove all screws on the bottom cover. Also remove two screws that are hidden under the rubber legs. Next, take a plastic tool and begin to open the case of laptop. I recommend using a plastic tool so as not to damage the laptop case when you open it. Disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. You can find replacement battery for your Asus using this part number. In any case, in the description under the video I'll add link where to buy new battery for Asus UX430. Well, that's all. You were on HowFixIT, and see you guys next time.